Hey guys, Jagus here. This is Jagus Reviews. Alright, so today I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I'm trying to get a few small speakers so I can battle them up against each other and all that. This is the T&G 384 Mini. So I have heard of some of their speakers. I've never bought any yet, so I just wanted to kind of give them a try. This one looked cool because it does have the RGB lights, and it's actually got a little bit of weight to it, so I'm hoping it's decent. RGB light, TWS function, long battery life, USB-C charging, so that is good. And let's see here. Transmission, 10 meters, 1200 milliamp battery, so not huge on the battery. Looks like two 45 millimeter drivers. Alright, so not too shabby. Just went ahead and got the black ones. These are on like AliExpress. They're about $15 to $20. Let's see what we got here. So we've got the charging cable. Alright, and we've got aux cord. Looks like our little alright. Perfect. Little manual. Let's see how this thing looks. Alright. And like I said, it actually has an alright amount of weight to it. So for 15 bucks, you can't really go wrong, I suppose. So it's got RGB light area. And then I imagine this is where the speakers are firing out of. There is two of them. It's got a little hook thing there. And then it looks like minus, plus on the volume. You've got your mode button, power, and then probably RGB lights. So, see if we got any power. Interesting. So that actually plays the old JBL Charge 2 and 3. But it does look pretty cool. I mean, they definitely got some cool lights for 15 bucks, so I'm not mad at it. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. So aux in, you've got your USB-C charging. Looks like you've got a TF card slot and your USB, just regular USB. Hook up a drive, whatever, with some music on it. Alright guys, let's see different lights. So I will give it this. The lights are actually pretty cool on this thing. It's definitely got the lights going for it. Kind of like the JBL, is it the Pulse? But whatever that one is. Same kind of aesthetic, but it doesn't wrap around the whole body. It's just half of it. But it's kind of cool. Alright, let's get this thing hooked up and see how it sounds. Alright guys, I got this all hooked up. So let's go ahead and see what it can at least do. For 15 bucks, I'm not expecting anything crazy. Do some top speed. 80%.
Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy. Don't wake up, go down. I'm pretty God like a nun. I'm put that on my, put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this, have fun, ayy. I'm blasted, ayy. Don't matter,
that's pretty cool.
Ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster,
not bad, not bad.
Go faster, ayy.
Got a full blast. Oh, that, I'm not sure what the hell that is. Full blast? better get it right. Mama Zula.
You will never understand what I went through. You never were a good listener. A good listener.
It's actually pretty loud.
You will never understand what you put me through. And you never be a good lover. A good lover. At first I believed I was the lucky one.
Alright guys, so I think that gives us a good little idea. So definitely for 15-20 bucks, this is a pretty cool little speaker. So it is decently loud. I would say it's probably around the same loudness as like the JBL Flip, maybe the Philips little guy that I got here, and some of those other smaller speakers. It does have actually surprisingly good highs on this one. It doesn't have a lot of low end. It has a little bit of bass, but you can definitely tell they're not using any passive radiators or anything like that to give it a little extra oomph. But it does have some bass. It's just not super powerful in the bass department. But all the way up into 100% volume, I'm not really getting any distortion. And honestly, if you get this speaker, I think it is gonna be number one for the lights, because the lights are actually pretty dang cool on this thing. And then number two, you are gonna get some music, you know, you're gonna get some decent sound out of it. You're gonna get good highs. Seemed like the mids are kind of there, and then the low end is there, but like I said, it's just not gonna be like a charge 6, charge 5 worth of bass or anything like that. But let me know what you guys think. We'll put it up against a few things. I'm going to let this fully charge and everything else, but cool little speaker. Thanks for watching, guys.